Hello and welcome. So in this video we will see how to run a simple Python hello world inside SQL Server. It's just a print. Maybe I can do a little more, but the main thing of this video is just a print. Okay, and the first thing that we need to do is we need to install Python feature in SQL Server 2017. Okay, then we need to enable execution of external scripts, and finally we are able to run our script. Okay, and the installation of Python feature in SQL Server is somewhere in the wizard. Okay, you must select the features that you want on your SQL Server 2017 instance. Okay, and the most important for this job are these ones: machine learning services in database and Python. So you must check these two, okay, and make sure that these two are installed. Okay, and if you already have SQL Server installed and you don't know if it is installed, okay, you go to the folder of the Microsoft SQL Server installation and you go here, MS SQL 14. We open this and here it is, Python services. If we open this, we have here a lot of things. One of them are the Python shell. Okay, let's move on, and the next step is enable the execution of external scripts and run the script. Here in Management Studio, we just want to run a simple script with a print, okay? Just that. So to execute a script in Python, we must call execute sp underscore execute underscore external underscore script. We must provide the variable language that is equals to, in this case, Python. The next thing is the script. So we say script and it is equals to and the string that is the script, print hello world. Just this. Okay, if we try to execute this, we have this error, and it basically says that execute external script is disabled. Okay, and we need to use sp configure. If we say sp configure and we run this, we will see a lot of things, right? But one of them is this external script enabled, config value 0, run value 0. Okay, so we must say here external scripts enabled, and we provide the number 1 to be enabled, 0 to be disabled. Okay, after this we need to reconfigure with override. Okay, we run this and is configured, so we expect that this works. Let's try to run our script again and we execute, but we get another error saying the same thing, it's disabled. Okay, well, the thing is we need to restart SQL Server. Okay, so we go to services, here, this SQL Server, right click and restart. And now it says that it will also restart SQL Server Launchpad. This service is very important to run Python. This Launchpad is important. So we say yes, and it will restart SQL Server and Launchpad. So it restarted them, and we can go here and execute or try. It will take some time the first time, okay? And the script just executed, hello world. Okay, so this is very simple. Let's try to do something more complex. If you want more things, more videos about this, please give likes to this video so I can know that you want more things. Okay, and let me copy these that we already have. Let me comment this one and let's paste here. I have, for example, in this database, this table files, okay, with this data. Let's try to get the data of this table and use it in Python. Okay, to do that we need to add another parameter, and the next parameter will be at input underscore data underscore 1 and it is equals to n, and select everything from files. Okay, just this. In the script of Python we can go here and say print input data set dot, for example, id, the id. Okay, print the id, and also you can print the name and also the size, just like this. So if we execute these, let's see what happens. You see, this time was very fast, and we have the hello world. We have here some numbers. This is the ID, okay? The name is ID, the data type is an integer, the first index has the value 1, the second index, the 1, has the value 2, and so forth. Next we have another column, the name, that is object, and the first index has the dog JPG, the second has the cat, and so forth. And here is the size, is the same thing, okay? So this is it. And just to review, to enable the execution of external scripts, we had to execute this sp underscore configure external scripts enabled 1, okay, and then reconfigure with override. After that we needed to restart the SQL Server and the SQL Server Launchpad. Okay, to run the script we just need to execute sp underscore execute underscore external underscore script. We say that the language is Python, not R, and the script is this. Okay, this is the end. You can download the source code. The link is in the description of this video. Give a like, and as always, thank you for watching.